Let me show you through each piece of the Hercules 11-piece complete recovery kit, plus how and when to use each item. This right here is the ultimate four-wheel drive recovery kit for any type of four-wheel driving. Whether you're a fisher heading up the beach, you're hitting those tough low-range tracks with your mates on weekends, you're heading off on that big dream adventure, or you're just heading for your favourite local campsite. So first up, we've got the white 9-metre long 8-tonne Snatch Strap. This is a vehicle-to-vehicle connecting strap that allows you to snatch a bogged vehicle free with a second vehicle. Think of it like a giant rubber band. It's designed in a way that allows it to stretch up to 20% longer at full tension to smooth out or soften the forces involved in a snatch recovery. When the strap reaches that full length, it's designed to then recoil, providing extra energy to assist in dragging the stuck vehicle free. It should only ever be connected to proper rated recovery points on both vehicles using rated Bow Shackles where necessary, and should be rated between 2 and 3 times either vehicle's GVM. So next up is this purple strap. Now it might look similar to the Snatch Strap, but it's actually substantially different. This is the 10-metre long, 5,000 kilo winch extension strap. In a winch recovery, you can never guarantee that there's an appropriate tree close enough for you to hook onto, so the winch extension strap is designed to wrap around a tree or connect to another vehicle and provide a sturdy anchor point closer to the bogged vehicle. Unlike the Snatch Strap, it has no stretch factor built into it. It's simply a good, tough winch extension strap. Now the third strap in the kit is this green one right here. This is the 3-metre long, 10,000 kilo tree trunk protector. This you wrap around a tree and connect your winch hook through the eyelets, as opposed to wrapping the winch rope directly around the tree. This prevents the winch rope from being damaged by dragging it against the tree, but more importantly, it spreads the load across a larger surface area of the tree, stopping the tree from being ring-barked and damaged. Now this orange blanket right here is called a winch dampener, and it plays a crucial role in any four-wheel drive recovery. Its job is to sit on the winch rope or the snatch strap during operation and act as an air brake should something let go during the recovery and fly through the air. Place it in the middle of the snatch strap or the winch rope, or if you're winching up a hill, sit it over the winch hook to stop it sliding down the rope. Dig a little bit deeper into the kit and you'll find the red 8,000 kilo Snatch Block. Here's how you use it in winch recoveries. When you run your winch rope out through it at a forward-facing anchor point and then return the winch hook back to your vehicle, it adds a mechanical advantage that just about doubles your winch's effective pulling power. No matter what winch you run, there will come a time when you reach the limits of that winch's power. The worst thing you can do for your winch's longevity is to keep trying to winch in at a point where the vehicle isn't moving any further forwards. When you do that, you're directing all the current from your alternator and your battery through to very specific contact points on the winch's electric motor, and you run the real risk of burning the winch motor out. Instead, before you get to that point where the winch stalls out, add the Snatch Block into the equation to reduce the risk of that happening. The kit also comes with a pair of 4.7-tonne rated Bow Shackles for connecting straps and vehicles together. It's important that when you set a shackle up, that you add the strap eyelet to the black bow side of the shackle. This allows the strap to move freely as needed instead of bunching up in these corners of the securing pin. Add in the legendary Kwiky tyre deflator to quickly, easily and accurately deflate your tyres for better traction, one of the clever folding shovels for all sorts of uses when you're camping or four-wheel driving, and a tough recovery bag to store it all in, and you've got just about everything you'd ever need for a four-wheel drive recovery except for a winch. You also get a set of tough recovery gloves, an essential safety item. It's not hard to see why the Hercules 11-piece complete recovery kit from 4-Wheel Drive Supacentre is such incredible value. And of course, all the key recovery components in the kit are independently tested and rated to ensure they comply with the relevant safety standards here in Australia. That way you know you're buying quality recovery gear designed to do the job. And the best part is, the entire 11-piece Hercules Complete Recovery Kit is available for around the same price as some other 4-wheel drive shops charge for just the Snatch Strap. That makes the Hercules Complete Recovery Kit absolutely unbeatable value, especially when you see what it's on sale for today.